Hi guys, this is me Harshita. Welcome back to Namaste and Nonsense. Today we are at Omkar Hills. Come, let's go and check it out.
Known to some, but unknown to many. In Uttarahalli, near Kengeri, there is a quiet hill in Bengaluru called Omkar Hills. ಹೌದು, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಸೀನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಬವ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು's one and only Dwadasha Jyotirlinga temple, that is, all the 12 Jyotirlingas can be seen here. ಬಟ್ ನಾನಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yet, I unknowingly arrived on Pradosha Kala, which is the sacred time to Lord Shiva just after the sunset. Do subscribe for